Hi everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to make your URL or link to stay in the line of text without breaking and separating and creating a new line under. That's a common problem that everyone has encountered sooner or later on Webflow, and unfortunately fortunately I ran into it as well while I was doing my blog, and I was roaming through Webflow forum and I was trying to find a solution of getting around this problem. And this, what you see right now on the screen, is what I have posted as a screenshot of my solution, and it's something that I read about people recommending about the layout and what you can include, and I experimented and it worked for me. So you can try it out and let me know in the comments and if it works for you as well, because as we all know, there's multiple ways to solve a problem, and I'm curious if there is another way that you have already tried and works for you. So let's get started. So here on the screenshot you can see that I'm highlighting the rich text block, and as you can see, the element here is not connected to your CMS collection. So this is the dummy text that you get when you open your blog post page. And what you see here under the rich text block, there is like heading, paragraph, and within the paragraph there is an element which is highlighted as a link. This link also has like two classes, all links and when nested inside of rich text block. This is very important because it actually gives specific formatting for the layout of the link when it is in the rich text. So this is the specific case we need it for, right? For our blog posts. So we want these links to appear that way in all of our blog posts. All links in the rich text block will appear the way we set them here. So let me show you. Now this is my latest blog post that I have posted, and this is how it will look here. If you can see, this is the live website. Everything is okay. Here is some highlighted text. This is a link, but because it's part of the quote, it looks like that. But this one is still here in line, and if you have the problem, your probably exclamation mark will be somewhere here on the next row and it will look awful. So first thing I try to do is to disconnect my text from the CMS collection, and I can get the dummy text. So what this gives me, it gives me permission to actually edit and style the text, so I can give some kind of settings to the text and see what I can do with it. As I said, here in the paragraph, as you can see, there is no link here in the rich text at the moment, although it's saved and it is working. In this dummy text there is not. So once you made it, it will always be there. One way to do it is to just add a link here, for example, whatever it is here, or add it as an element from here as a link block into the tree of elements, and it will appear here, as you can see. And very important, this link not to be outside of the rich text but inside of the rich text, and to be also in the paragraph that you want to appear into the rich text. And also, when you have this arrangement here, as you can see it, don't leave it to be like this with the block element to be a new line and to take up the full width, because I think this is a default state. You want it to be more like an inline block, and this was recommended on the forum, and after I did this change, everything worked perfectly. And yeah, this is basically it, and since I already saved it, this is how it looks. I wish I could break it for you so you can see how it looked before, but you probably know if you're already here on this video. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please make sure to leave a like, and if you find it helpful and maybe you have another solution, please let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more videos. See you soon.